Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen of death in Windows 10. So first of all, before we start, I just wanna say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. And now we can start with the tutorial. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all we want to do is just click on Control Alt and Delete at the same time. Now once you're here, just open the task manager. So even though I don't have the black I don't have the black screen, I already have it fixed, but this fix worked for me, and I hope it will work for you too. So once you're in the task manager, what you want to do is just go to File and click on Run New Task. Type registry editor and click on OK. So make sure that this task will be created with administrative privileges. If for me, every task created will be with administrative privileges. For you, maybe you have to click to check a box here. So if it's not checked, just check it and click on OK. Okay, so let me just close this, all of this. And now once you open the registry editor, it will look like this. What you want to do is just go to H key, local machine. So click on the arrow, open software, and look for Windows, look for Microsoft. Okay, so let's see, there it is. Click on Microsoft and look for Windows NT. Okay, so there it is. So click on the arrow next to Windows NT, click on current version, and now what you want to do is just look for WinLogon. Okay, and there it is. So click on WinLogon and look for shell. Once you find shell, just double click on it and enter explorer.exe. Click on OK, close the registry editor, close the task manager, and restart your PC. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment.